Hi, welcome to this video. To start using TikTok Ads Manager for your beginner brand, create an advertiser account. So head over to ads.tiktok.com and sign up with your TikTok account. So I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions here and link my current account, right? So I'm gonna, hit permission here. And right away, I'm gonna be able to sign up using my account, right? Enter basic business details, including your country, legal name, and time zone. Double check this, as it cannot be easily changed later. And then add your billing and payment method. So, inside, we're gonna go ahead, right, to the tools at the top of the dashboard and select Event Manager. Click Connect Data Source and choose Website. Link your e-commerce platform partners such as Shopify for a simple setup. So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time.